We always dream to have a beautiful life. A life that is full of comfort, luxury, and all the important things that makes our life peaceful. Jerry Profit and R. Sandesh are the two of the most experienced and well-known real estate developers of Central India. These developers have come together to build a state-of-art gated community that may change the lifestyle on Kurari Road. We present to you a gated community named as Silver Valley. Spread over 2 acres of land on the main Nagpur-Kurari Road, Silver Valley offers excellent location, easy connectivity to schools, colleges, sports complex and renowned hospitals, as well as commercial areas. With commercial area like Sadar, renowned hospitals like Alexis, sports complex like Mantapur Sports Complex, very close by the Silver Valley is bound to satisfy all your needs. Silver Valley, spread over 2 acres of land, has been divided into 3 zones of row houses, apartment building and amenity spaces. A majestic gate welcomes you to the lavishly planned and designed Silver Valley. 24-hour security and CCTV camera at the entrance gate will make sure that you are in the safe zone. Located on the highly busy Nagpur-Kurari Road and connected with the core of the city, a true range of flyovers will definitely make this place a unique choice. The elegantly designed row houses with huge balconies in the front is definitely eye-catching. Now let's move inside the bungalow. The bungalow will feature a spacious living room, and a neatly done kitchen. A bedroom. As we move on to the top floor, we have another 2 bedrooms as master bedroom, and children's bedroom. Used balcony area will definitely be a place to relax and have coffee. What's most unique with the row houses is the small landscape area inside the unit. The row houses has space in the front of it before connecting to the road. Each row house has sufficient space for car parking. This row houses will definitely be a dream house that you had thought of. Moving from row houses through the entrance gate, we move to the amenity area. No stone has been left unturned to make this amenity space a unique one. We had tried to make sure that most of the amenities are made available inside this amenity space. A party lawn in the center will add the beautiful look to this amenity space. The senior citizen area is something where grandmas and grandpas will definitely enjoy. Used green gym is also made available for those little exercising moments. The central lawn area is surrounded by a jogging track that will help the joggers and walkers either in the morning or in the evening. A small function can also be arranged very efficiently in this lawn. A discussion area is also a place which will be exciting for the ladies for the group chats. Without children's play area, the amenities can never be complete. So we have a children's play area. Basketball court for those crazy sports person is also one of the addition to this complex. High-rise residential tower is finally a thing that will change the skyline of the Kurari Road. Elegantly designed with modern elevation is a thing that this complex has been designed as. Efficiently designed layout wherein bungalows are planned on the left-hand side and apartments on the right-hand side with amenities spaces centrally located is something unique to this township. The complex has a terrace garden and terrace amenities are planned in plenty. The board games room, which will house games like carom, chess, table tennis, will be available on the top floor. Fitness freaks can sweat it out in the well-equipped gym. Will also be provided on the terrace floor, which will be the star attraction of this apartment building. Neatly done landscape on the terrace will add the premium feel to this apartment high-rise building. We at Jerry Profit and R. Sandesh request you to be a part of this sprawling residential complex. We promise you that it will deliver what we had committed, as we have been delivering to all our satisfied customers till now, as well as in the future.